this is Yati and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you live to be perfect in English. Try to speak clear English and don't try to be perfect in English because of the following points I will say. So work on clear pronunciation. Don't be over smart. Don't be try to be perfect in English. When you try to be perfect in English with the conversation of anyone, you will freeze for a second. What should I say? What is the meaning? Is I am correct or not? Stop these things. These are so awkward. You will try the clear pronunciation. No perfect, only clear pronunciation of something. When the people say, my name is Yati Bhardwaj. I am studying in class 5th. So this is good. I am saying in clear pronunciation. And look and listen this carefully. Hi, my name is Yati Bhardwaj. I am studying in class 5th. अरे यहाँ पे तो ग्रामर आना है. Oh, this point has a grammar. Stop this thinking. Don't focus on your whole grammar. Learn only basic grammar so that you will make your own sentences. So don't try to be perfect in English. Try to be clear pronunciation in English. Your pronunciation should be clear. So the next point is improve your vocabulary of learning words daily. I will tell you most of the times learn a new word daily. At least 5 words you will learn daily. So you will have a great collection of the words when you say, when you speak, when you learn new words. And use them into your daily conversation clearly, not perfectly, clearly. So our next point is think in English. I am telling you a lot of the time, think in English. Try to think in English. When you do word for word translation, so it will make you the wrong pronunciation of words and sentences. You will do this trick. You will think when you think in your mother tongue language or Hindi also. So you will think a lot and quickly. But when you try to think in English, you will stop. Why it is? I am telling you. You all are people are thinking the English is difficult language, but no. In your mind, there is no one to catch your mistake. There is no one to notice your mistakes. Think in English. Whatever is just your mind, just think in English and speak it in the front of the mirror. Nobody will catch your mistake in the front of the mirror because there is only one. You also. And in the mind, there is no one to catch your mistake, so you will think briefly, freely. There is no one to listen your mistakes. So be confident and don't try to be perfect in English. Practice daily and clearly. Practice speaking every day. When you practice of something, it will make you perfect. This phrase I will use here. Practice makes a man perfect. When you practice of something, you will easy to communicate with anyone. When you practice to learn English every day, so it will make your continuity. In my previous video in the morning, I will tell you about the consistency. What do you mean by consistency? I am little help you to in this video about this. I'm little hint you. And if you're not seeing yet my old video in my previous video of consistency, so go now. After this video, go now and see it. This is so interesting, So I'll give you a little brief on it. Consistency means to build confidence and build continuity in something. And I am also speak clearly in English. I am not be perfect in English, but I am doing my great. I am doing my well and practice a lot daily. Improve your listening skills. I am telling you a huge of the first when you listen a video, English movies with the English only English language if you want to learn English. when you see it, when you watch it, so you will easy to communicate with anyone, and you will also know the trick of of their pronunciation of the word in the movies, in the videos. So it will help you to learn new things. So you will first, when you start a video in English, open the subtitles of the English and read it. Try to understand the movie and video by the reading of subtitles. First you will do this, and then the second time you will remove the subtitles and lower the voice of the TV or the movie. So, and you will try to speak in English on your own with the character role play. Keep the voice of low, then because first when you see the movie in English, you will understand the whole movie. And the second time, you will keep the TV's voice low and close the subtitles of your video and movie, and try to speak your own. So it will build your vocabulary strong, and your consistency of speaking English is always good. And I am telling you this thing, speak in the front of the mirror. It will help you to learn a huge. It will help you a huge in your life. I am also doing this. Now I am telling you about my strategy on speaking English perfectly. Before this time, I will speak English, and I want to speak English perfectly, not clearly. I am not clear in every word pronunciation, but I want to speak English perfectly, not clearly. Because in the previous time, I was thinking the perfectly is good than clearly. The perfectly is the most important for the making videos and making English sentences. So this is wrong. Now I am understand this thing, and that's why I am sharing this thing with you. So what is this? I will tell you. I speak English, not fluently, but I stop for a second and 5 seconds when I will continue. I will bring continuity in the conversation with everyone. I am just freeze, and I am thinking, is this correct or not? So this is wrong. That's why I am sharing this video to you, so that you will never do this mistake again like me. And now I am understand this thing. Don't focus on your perfect tense. Focus on a clear pronunciation of words. So this video, I hope this video help you to speaking your English. So if you have any query to learn English, I will tell you a huge of the time. You will tell me in the comment section and give me a new topic, so that I am making your video for you. Like, share, subscribe. I hope you like this video. Bye.